how to factory reset iPhone without removing eSIM. So for that, you have to follow this simple step and watch the video till the end. So make sure you have backup. Before performing a factory reset, it's always a good idea to back up your iPhone data to your computer here. And on the number second, you have to disable your Find My on your iPhone. Go for your setting. Once you are on your setting here, so you have to tap on your name. Once you are on your name here, you have to just go for your iCloud. So just go and tap on your iCloud. Once you are on your iCloud, you have to disable the Find My iPhone if it is on here. Look for that here option. So if you find that option here, just go and turn it off here. Just go here and look for that option, and you have to turn it off from here. And ensure your eSIM is still active. So the eSIM profile is typically tied to your career and will not delete during a factory reset. On the number 4, you have to perform the factory reset. On your setting, go for your general option. Once you are on your general option, scroll down and go for your transfer or reset your phone and tap on the erase all content and setting. And you have to just go for the continue option. And then you have to enter your passcode and confirm the action. So the phone will wipe all the data and restore it to the factory setting. So that's it. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.